Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting your trainer code and sharing it where players gather. When you paste the code in chat or DMs, people can add you without friction, so do that right away. Once done, open your Friends tab and send a first gift to signal you're active and reliable. That small initial interaction increases the chance others will accept and respond. Make sure to mention time zone or raid plans when you share the code to set expectations early. You move the interaction forward by coordinating shared activities, starting with a clear raid plan: time, place, and who brings counters. Trades are the currency of trust. Offer something meaningful like a high Roman 4 or regional Pokémon to make the relationship reciprocal. Once comfortable, use a steady gift cadence, 1 or 2 daily, to keep visibility without spamming. Also make sure to use quick messages or voice when needed, explaining why you finalize friendships by moving to regular shared play. Weekly raids, gym rotates, or trading sessions create reliable patterns. Focus on hitting friendship XP milestones because the bonuses matter for raids and trading. Plan activities that accelerate those levels. If someone stops responding, follow up once politely and then pause to avoid pressure. Re-engage later during a local event or community day. If problems persist, remove or archive to keep your list manageable and invest in active players instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.